Good morning, student. Welcome back. Students, we have finished chapter number 3, the cell. Today I am going to summarize the whole chapter in some points so that it is easy for you to understand the chapter. So, student, I taught you that cell is a basic and structural functional unit of life. Cells, all the living organisms are made up of cells. Some are unicellular, means they are made up of the single cell, and some are multicellular, means they are made up of many cells, means 1,000, million, billion cells. Then we have studied about the variation in cell, means number of cell, means unicellular have only one cell but multicellular have many cells, so number can be varied. Then shape of the cell, in the book you can see the shape of amoeba, it is unicellular. Then white blood cells, smooth muscle cells and nerve cells, you can see the shape of each cell is different from each other. Then we have studied about the size of the cell. I told you that the size of the cell not depend on the size of the individual organism, but size of the cell remains same in all the organisms also sometime. For example, it is written in your book, size of a cell is not depend on the size of the plant or animal. Size of cell is related to its function. For example, nerve cell of a rat and an elephant can be of the same size. So they can vary from each other but maybe remain same for large to small organisms. Then we will study the part of the cells. So you have studied that there are three basic components of cell, that is cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as the plasma membrane, then nucleus, and third one is the cytoplasm. Cell membrane is the membrane which separate the cell from the other cells. Nucleus is the important part of the cell which include the genetic material, and cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance where all the organelle is present. So student, you have already drawn the diagram of animal cell as well as the plant cells. So the structure of a cell. First, cell membrane means basically all the cells are having the cell membrane. Cell membrane, the basic function of cell membrane, it cover and protect the cell, and it is selectively permeable, means it allow only some substances to pass through them. Then second one is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present in a cell, and what is the function of the cytoplasm? It help in exchange of material between the different cell organelles. Organelles means different things present inside the cell. Then third one is the nucleus. It can be spherical or oval shaped. It is present in the cytoplasm. It contains nuclear membrane, means the membrane which separate the nuclear from the cytoplasm. Then nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is a jelly-like substance. Then chromatin material, it consists of the genetic material, means traits of the parents. And the fourth one is the nucleus, which is a dense spherical structure within the nucleus and which associate with the formation of the ribosome. Next beta, cell wall. Cell wall is present in the plant only. So additional covering present outside the cell membrane in plants. And what is the basic function of cell wall? It protect and provides strength to the plant cells. Then fifth one is a vacuole. It is a fluid-filled sac present in the cytoplasm, and sometimes it store the food, and vacuoles are bigger or larger in case of the plant cells. Then sixth one is the plastids. In plants only plastids are present. There are basically three types of plastid. Chloroplast, which is generally green in color, and it consists of the chlorophyll. Then chromoplast, it can be of red, orange color, means basically it gives colors to the fruits and the vegetables. And the leucoplast, which is colorless, and it helps to store the food. And student, you have to go through the part of the cell, means mind map also you have to study. You have to learn the key terms, that is cell organelles, means various structures present in the cell responsible for specific or particular function. Then chromatin material, a network of thread-like material called chromosome present in the nucleus. Chromosome, hereditary material of cell present in the nucleus. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like material enclosed by a cell membrane. Then nucleolus, a dense spherical part present within the nucleus. Nucleus a dense spherical oval body present in the cytoplasm. It contains all the cellular activity and heredity information, that means genes. And last one is the cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. It covers both animal and the plant cells. So beta, you have to go through this.